Hey fam, it's Miss D here to get you in step with an instructional video of your favorite line dance. Now today we are doing We Outside. It's a up tempo, it's a fun dance. You're going to love it. All right. It's a four wall dance and it's 2 counts of 8. But it's a lot happening in these 2 counts of 8. I'm going to break it down, so no worries. All right. So let's get started. Okay. I'm going to turn my back to make it easier to follow. This is my right. This is my left. All right. First count of 8 is going to be a grapevine and some footwork. All right. Now we're going to step with our right and travel to our right. So right, right, and tap, right, left, and tap. Okay. So right, left behind, right out, left tap, then step to the left with the left, right behind, step out left, and tap. Okay. Now, like I said, it's only 2 counts of 8, but it's a lot of steps on the and beat, and that's what this is. So let me show you the tempo because I'm going to count it. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay? All right? Try that much. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay? From here, you're going to do your footwork. You're going to take your right foot. So step out with up with the heel. So what I'm doing is this. Step out with the heel. Okay? And then heel back in, and then step toe out, back in. Okay? So heel in, toe in. All right? And then right foot heel, and then left foot heel. Okay? So heel in, toe in, right heel, left heel. Okay? So the count again, this is fast too because it's on the and beats. So we just went 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Right? So just try the footwork. Ready? 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Heel and toe and heel and heel. Try it again. Heel and toe and heel and heel. All right. Let's put that 8 count together. Okay. 5, 6, 7. Grapevine. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Okay. How are we feeling? All right. The second count of 8, you're going to do lock steps and kicks. All right. So a lockstep is basically a travel. It's almost like a grapevine. You're traveling to an angle. So if you think of a clock, you think of 12 o'clock, think of traveling toward 1 o'clock and 11 o'clock. All right. So we're going to step. We just finished and 8 and. So we're going to step with our right towards 1 o'clock. So step out right, bring that left foot behind it. Okay. And then step out right again and then tap with the left. And then moving to the left, step left at that 11 o'clock, bringing the right foot behind it for a tap, step out again with the left, and then bring in the right with a tap, right? So it looks like this: right, left, right, tap, left, right, left, tap. Okay? Try one more time. Right, left, right, tap, left, right, left, tap. Okay? So the count, we just went 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right, try one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay. From here to finish out that last count, you here? You're going to step with your right foot, step back. And these are the kicks. You're going to step and kick, then step down and kick, then step up and kick. Okay? So it's 3 kicks. All right? So you just finished the lock step to the left, step back on the right, kick the left, Step down on the left, kick the right, step down on the right, kick the left. All right. Now, I was told these are called, well, you put your flavor to it. All right. I was told it's called stripper kicks. I don't know how to do no stripper kick. All right. So I'm just gonna kick. I'm gonna try to give it as much flavor as I can, but it's that song. So you're gonna feel it and put your own little flavor to it anyway. All right. So we just went, let's start with the lock steps. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And step back and kick and kick and kick down. All right, from here, you're going to sweep, make a quarter turn to start the dance again. And that turn is on the and, all right, on the 8 and. So we just went 5, kick and 6 and 7 and step 8 and swing it to start the dance over on the 1. And you're starting with the grapevine to the right, all right? So we're here. Let's go for the kicks. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Swing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Kick, 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 swing it. And 1. Start again. Okay. That's the dance. It's only 2 counts, but it's a lot going on and it's fast, right? So let's do it all. Let's do both counts and let's go slow with it. All right. See, make sure we got the moves and then we'll speed it up. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Grapevine. Right, right, tap, left, left, tap, right heel in toe, heel and heel. Lockstep. 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and kick. Uh, uh, and swing. Okay, that's it. So let's do it again. I'm gonna pick up the pace and we'll do a couple of rounds of it, all right, to make sure we got it good. Ready? 5 and 6 and 7. Let's go. Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Kick. Kick 7 and 8. Swing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now 5. Kick. 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 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now back kick. Hey, hey. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Back, 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 back. Okay. All right, that's it. Now, that is a workout. Thank that instructor. She is awesome for making that up. I love it. Hopefully, you love it too. Just practice it. It is so fun. All right. So now, all you need to do is like, share, subscribe to the channel, and I will keep them coming. Let me know what you think, guys. I'm enjoying this, having so much fun. I hope you are too. All right. Till I see you next time. Take care of yourselves. Get out there and dance. All right. Bye. Love you guys. Mwah.